wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best band saws. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Rikon 10-305 provides a speed of 2,780 surface feet per minute and accommodates 70.5-inch blades between 1/8 and 3/4 of an inch thick. With a heavy-duty removable rip fence, this model was designed with versatility in mind. It comes with a table that's easy to tilt and lock and a paddle switch for safety. However, it doesn't include a mitre gauge. At number 9, the Delta 28-400 has a large aluminum table and flexible, well-balanced wheels that provide decent blade tracking and durability. It uses a standard blade size that can be adjusted with the easy-to-use tensioning system. It's equipped with a heavy-duty steel frame and an integrated dust brush, but it doesn't have a rip fence. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Powermatic PWBS14CSD Deluxe has an integrated air pump for clearing away debris as you work, ensuring good visibility. It also features a 1.5 horsepower motor, a tilting table, and a solid construction. It includes an adjustable blade guide and 9-spoke cast iron wheels. It produces minimal vibrations. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bandsaws, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, despite a heavy-duty frame, the Grizzly G0561 is easy to maneuver thanks to large cast iron wheels. It can slice through metal easily using its 2.5-gallon coolant system and hydraulic feed. It boasts a very small footprint, an automatic shut-off feature, and a convenient quick-release vise. Moving up our list to number 6, the handheld Makita XBP02Z is easily portable with a high-torque motor and a long-lasting lithium-ion battery. It weighs less than 15 pounds and offers a speed of up to 530 surface feet per minute. Its adjustable foot protects your materials, and it's got a dial to select from 6 speeds. It can be used for overhead work. Halfway up our list at number 5, the industrial quality Lagoona Tools mband 1412 offers rigidity and a vibration-free performance, along with a pyramid-shaped spine and oversized trunnion. It also has a smooth, polished table surface. The blade doesn't flex much if extended, and it includes an illuminated on-off switch and an aluminum rip fence. At number 4, the Bosch GCB10-5 weighs just 15 pounds and offers a powerful 10-amp motor and a 4 3/4 of an inch cut capacity, which is pretty big for a portable model. It is corded though, so it's not as convenient as a battery-powered choice. It's backed by a 1-year warranty, and the auxiliary handle provides control. It has a hanging hook for storage. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the light on the Milwaukee 2429-21XC focuses on your cut line to help you saw straight, even if you're working in dim conditions. The easy-to-use variable speed trigger allows you to employ finesse and force as required. It can be used one-handed and includes a carrying case. It's backed by a 5-year warranty. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bandsaws, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Metabo HPT CB18DBLQ4 starter kit features an efficient brushless motor and a variable speed dial that can be set at between 395 and 640 surface feet per minute. It's protected against overloading and overheating, and its cut capacity is 3 1/4 inches. It includes a lifetime warranty on the saw, a charger with a USB port, and a pair of 3-amp-hour batteries. And taking the top spot on our list, the DeWalt DCS376P2 is part of the company's line of 20-volt cordless models and requires dual switch activation to engage, which is a good safety feature. At £24, it is a substantial model, but it's still manageable for two-handed operation. It cuts up to 4-inch pipe and is equipped with a long-lasting brushless motor. It's compatible with flexible batteries. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for bandsaws, or simply click beneath this video.